Dear learners, welcome to my class. With the thinking of your betterment, we are taking classes. I think you are very attentive to my class, and today I am present having a topic. The name of the topic is narration. It is taken from second paper and it is intermediate second year course. Dear learners, you are all welcome to my class, so that we can be very conscious about the different sides of narration and change the narration. Dear learners, we know narration is the statement. In order to provide any idea related to any point, we provide a statement or speech. Whatever we say, it is our speech, it is our statement, and these statements are of two kinds. One is direct, another is indirect. And before discussion of this direct and indirect speech or narration, we have to get point by point, topic by topic conception about different type of sentences. We know according to meaning, sentences are of five kinds: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. And this type of categories of sentences, there are different type of attitudes and system of expression. If we are acquainted with the system and methods of expression from one person to another, then we will be able to understand the demand of the sentence and how to change the sentences. In our narration, there are two types. One is detached narration, another is passage narration. However, today, now I am discussing the detached or sentence narration and how to change the narration. Dear learners, first of all, I presented assertive sentences. We know what is assertive sentence. The statement related to affirmative or negative idea, it is called assertive sentence. And in order to change assertive sentence from direct to indirect, we have to know some system. In first sentence, he says, I am ill. And what is the system or rule of changing the narration? He says, and this subject, he is reporting subject and says reporting verb. Here in this sentence there is no object and it is reported speech. I subject, am verb, ill extension. And in order to change this sentence, we have to use in present tense, he says that. As it is present tense, there is no change of the verb, and by omitting the inverted comma, we have to use that. To relate the reporting verb to reported speech, we have to use that. And first person will be changed according to the subject. Subject is third person, so we have to use he. And he, after he we have to use is. We get the use of am, but subject is he, so verb is, and then ill. What about the complete idea? He says that he is ill, and this is the indirect speech. We get the direct speech and we have to make it indirect. What is the indirect form? He says that he is ill. Are you clear, dear learners? Come to second sentence. He has said, I have done my duty. In this sentence we see he has said. It is reporting verb and it is reported speech. We have to change. If there is the present perfect tense, no change here. He has said that, and then it is first person, we have to change it as he. He and have, in place of have we have to use has. Done, in case of my we have to use his, and then duty. So idea is he has said that he has done his duty. Dear learners, are you clear? Then number 3, she said, I have done my duty. Here in this sentence we get the reporting verb in the past form. So you have to change the form. He said, we can use he said that, or she told that. Here we have to use she, as it is first person is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. So she, there is the use of have, present form, so we have to use had, past form had. Done, in place of my we have to use her duty. So complete sentence is she told that, or she said that she had done her duty. So this is the indirect form of narration. Come to question number 4. Imran said, I will do my homework. Here Imran said, it is past form, so we have to say Imran said that, or Imran told that, and I will be changed by this subject he. Imran, third person singular number and noun, so here we have to use the pronoun, so we have to use he. Will, past form would. Do, there is the use of my, so we have to use his homework. So clear conception. Imran told that, or Imran said that he would do his homework. So in this way we have to change the sentences. According to the demand of the sentences, we have to change the different form and change direct speech into indirect one. Dear learners, we are clear about assertive sentence and how to change the direct speech into indirect one. Let us see interrogative sentence. I said there are 5 types of sentences, and according to the presentation of the sentences we have to change. Interrogative sentence. In order to change the interrogative sentence, we know in case of inverted comma we have to use ask or inquired of. Likely we have to change the sentences. In first sentence we see, he said to me, are you reading my book? It is interrogative sentence, it is reported speech in interrogative form. So he said to me, here object is me. This said will be changed by asked. He said, and in place of said we have to use asked. He asked me, and the sentence starts with a, and it is not double words, so we have to use if. He asked me if, then subject you. We have to change this second person according to this object, and the object is I. if I am, in place of am, in place of are we have to use am. If I am reading his book, my, this my will be changed according to the subject, he, and so object is his book. So complete sentence is, he asked me if I am reading his book. Dear learners, I expect you are clear about the system of changing the interrogative sentence. Come to second sentence. Rona said to Shumi, will you meet me tomorrow? In this sentence we see subject Rona and object Shumi, reporting verb said. So we have to use Rona asked Shumi, and this sentence also starts with will, not WH word. So we have to use if. If there is no use of WH word, we have to change with if. So we can use if, you, and this you indicate Shumi. If she would, past form would, meet her. This me indicates Runa, her tomorrow, tomorrow the next day, and this tomorrow will be changed by next day. So complete idea is Runa asked Shumi if she would meet her the next day. Am I clear? Dear learners, come to third line. He said to me, where do you live? In this sentence, he subject, said reporting verb, me object. Where do you live? The sentence starts with WH word. So we can change he asked me. He asked me where. If there is the use of WH word, we have to use WH word omitting the comma. Where do you live? We have to change. You indicate me and subject I. Where do I live? So complete idea. He asked me where I live. Sentence is where I live. It is interrogative sentence, but we have to change the interrogative sentence into assertive form or assertive sentence. So sentence is again, he asked me where I live. Then question number 4. Teacher said to me, how did you do the work? How did you do the work? It is reporting verb. So we can change teacher asked me how I, it is past form and it is related to the verb do. So we have to use the past form of this do. Did, we have to use did the work. Complete idea? Teacher asked me how I did the work. Am I clear? Dear learners, we are more clear about the change of interrogative sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. Let us see another sentence. Imperative sentence. In this screen I have shown some imperative sentences. Please, dear learners, cast your attention on the board. Imperative sentence. We know in order to change the imperative sentence, we have to use advise, suggest, forbid, request. Likely, by using this type of word, we have to change the imperative sentence. What are the different words? Request, advise, suggest, forbid, likely. In the first sentence I showed, he said to me, please give me a glass of water. Please give a glass of water. It is imperative sentence, please give me a glass of water. So we have to think who are the persons, who is speaking to whom, and we have to identify the subject and object. He said to me, please give a glass of water. Likely same level of persons. In this case we can use request. He requested me. He requested me. In place of said, we have to use requested. He requested me. And in case of imperative form of the sentence, we have to use infinitive. We have to use infinitive. So we can use in place of please, as I used requested, and please is related to this request. So in order to make infinitive, before this give or the verb, before verb we have to use to give a glass of water. So clear concept is, he requested me to give a glass of water. Dear learners, in place of inverted comma we have to use request, suggest, advise, forbid, likely, and make infinitive phrase by providing to before this verb. In second sentence, the captain said to the soldiers, fire on. In this sentence we see it is order. So we have to use the captain ordered the soldiers to fire on. Fire on, it is verb, and we have to make it infinitive. So we have to use to before this fire. Idea is the captain said to soldiers to fire on. Number 3, father said to his sons, don't quarrel. It is father and sons related. So father advised his sons not to quarrel. Number 4, I said to him, let us drop the matter. And in case this sentence we can use, he suggested, I suggested him to drop the matter. I suggested him to drop the matter. Dear learners, I think you are well aware about the discussion of my lecture. The lecture was related to change of narration. I think you will practice more in your house, and if you have any question related to changing the narration, you will ask me and communicate over mobile and get your solution. And I think within this outbreak of this coronavirus, you will be very clear, you will be very careful about your safety and security, following the rules and regulations of this season. Until then, Allah Hafiz, remain safe. Bye bye.